Hello everyone, today I will show you how to test your mobile apps on any devices in Xcode. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So as you can see, this is the template for the iOS app, and this is like the preview screen, right? Right now, the app is connected to my devices, but let's say you want to test on other devices. What you want to do is let's say I want to test on the iPhone 16. I need to click on iPhone 16, right? And then you need to click build to install the app on the iPhone 16 simulator. Usually this process gonna take around 5 to 10 seconds, but here you go. This is the iOS app. It will take some time to for the installing, but when it is installed and you open it, this is what you would see on the screen. So once you make changes to the UI, you will see the changes reflected in the simulator. If you want to stop running, you can hit this and then close this simulator. And if you want to test other devices, you can click on this arrow and maybe choose other simulators. But yeah, this is how you can run and test your app on different devices. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.